know that flapjacks in the UK are just an oat slice, not the pancakes? I know, crazy, right? I've got a fantastic easy recipe. If you'd like to see my easy flapjacks, come with me and let's see. First step, preheat your oven to 170C. I've got a fan, so it's on 170. And then you want to prepare your tin. I'm doing it in a square tin today. Just grease the base and lined it with paper. So the oat slice is super easy. All it takes is some melted butter, which we've pre-melted. We've got some seeds to add in for a little twist. I've got flour, my spelt flour that I love using, coconut, oats, brown sugar, a little bit of vanilla and baking soda. That's it. So let's get mixing. So we're going to throw in everything. A cup of desiccated coconut, that's about 95 grams. And we have 1 1/4 cups of oats, some 205 grams. And we've got some light brown sugar, or you can swap it out for dark brown sugar. So that's 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, or 165 grams. Then we've got 65 grams of spelt flour, or you can use regular flour. Then we've got just 25 grams of both pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. That's roughly about 3 tablespoons. That's just my little twist. You can leave them out if you didn't want them. And we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Just going to add that to my butter actually. I'll just put that in with the butter just so it mixes in more easily. And then we're going to add just 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So grab our wooden spoon and then we're just mixing in our butter that I've pre-melted. That's just 1/2 cup or 125 grams. And I've used unsalted butter today. So we just mix that in until it's all combined. At this stage, the mixture looks a little bit dry, so we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. I do that so I don't have to add any more butter. If you stick around to the end, I've got some bonus tips on how you can adapt the recipe to make it vegan and another idea on how you can change it to swap out the sugars. So now we're going to press this all into our tin. That's it. All we need to do now is bake it for roughly 20 minutes in our preheated oven. So I promised you some bonus tips. So if you wanted to make it vegan, swap out the butter for non-dairy butter. If you wanted to make it low sugar, you can swap out the brown sugar for some maple syrup or honey. If you wanted to omit the seeds, you can add 50 grams more of oats. And another tip, don't overbake it because it'll be too crunchy. They're my little tips. So our flapjacks are out of the oven and they're golden brown. I'm going to cut them and do a little taste test. So you can either cut them into long bars or little squares. I usually do them in about 20 squares. Check this out. It's still warm. Yum. It's like an Anzac biscuit, but a little bit different with the seeds. And it's so quick to make. You don't even have to roll up or do the cookies. One slice. So if you've liked my flapjacks or oat slice today, hit thumbs up, pop a comment below, share it with a friend, and as I said before, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm gonna go and eat this.